I'm Peter Delaney, a happy Alumission's customer. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. We recently moved to LA and bought a house, wanted to do some improvements in the backyard, and saw the product online. We knew we wanted to add a little bit of a security gate, and not only that, a privacy gate and fence. Seeing the product online, I was instantly turned on by how easy it looked to install yourself. I am a DIYer, just trying to create a really nice environment that's safe and sturdy for my family to enjoy. And so far, I was able to install this gate, and right now I'm gonna try to build the rest of the fence to give us a little bit more privacy from our neighbor's yard. It was very easy. The guys at Alumission were extremely friendly on the phone, answered phone calls, and returned messages really quick. I was happy with their explanation about how easy it could be to install the product, and so far they've been helpful. Any questions I've had, they've been able to answer. Pretty surprised, because after I placed the order, the delivery came the next day, and that is not something that I'm used to, especially this day and age. Deliveries seem to be taking 4 to 6 weeks. I placed the order for my additional fence pieces yesterday, and they're here right now. I knew we wanted to have the kind of the look of aluminum. I did go with a wood deck, so we didn't want to tie a wood deck in with a wooden fence. I didn't want to build anything too fortified with cement or anything like that. I am a DIYer. Aluminum is super light. It's easy to deal with. It's easy to cut. I just have a regular chop saw in my garage with a universal blade on it. I had absolutely no problems cutting through the product, measuring it, and it's actually more chunky than I thought it would be. The pieces are pretty heavy as far as heavy duty, but really happy with how the product came out. And I did make a lot of comparatives online. Aluminum fencing, because of its resistance to corrosion, is pretty popular, and there are a lot of other companies selling aluminum fencing that are pretty expensive and that don't offer the ability to do it yourself. It was one of the other main reasons why I went with Alumission.